In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable PDF to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link that lets visitors download your file directly from your site. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading to the page where you want the download link to live. In the Pages panel, select the page, then click Edit so you're in the page editor. This prepares the area where you'll add your link. Next, click to place your cursor where you want the link, or highlight the existing text you want to turn into a download button. You can also select a button or image block if that's how you want the link to appear, but text is the quickest option and works great for most pages. With the text selected, open the link controls. In most text areas, you'll see a small toolbar appear. Click the link option to bring up the link editor. This is where you decide what the link should do. If you haven't already typed your link text, add it now. Use clear descriptive wording like "download the PDF" or the exact title of your document. Descriptive text helps with accessibility and sets clear expectations for visitors. Now return to the link editor and choose where the link points. Instead of pasting a web address, you're going to attach a file. Look for the option labeled File. Click that to switch the link type from a URL to a file attachment. In the File area, upload your PDF from your computer or select it from your existing library if you've already uploaded it. Give the file a straightforward name so it's easy to recognize. If your file is large, consider compressing it first so it downloads quickly and doesn't slow down your page. Once the PDF is uploaded and selected, confirm the choice in the link editor so the text you highlighted now points to that file. If you see an option to open in a new window, that's up to your preference. Leaving it as the default is perfectly fine for downloads. Finally, save your changes. Click Save on the page to publish the update. After saving, view the page as a visitor and click the link to make sure the PDF downloads or opens as expected. If you need to adjust the link text or swap the file, just